Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will showing you a new party look makeup done using a professional product. In the last video, we have showed you how to get green smoky eye makeup look. If you have not watched that video, you will find the link for the same in the top right corner. So let's get started. The first thing we are gonna do is cleansing, toning, moisturizing, or as we like to term it, CTM. CTM is an initial and an important part of the makeup process because it helps to get rid of dirt and nourishes the skin. Now we use a primer to create a smooth base that helps to keep your other products in the place all the day. Primer can also reduce the amount of makeup you use and makeup application a little easier. So make sure you will apply it properly. Moving on, your concealer is the first step your makeup application and will go on most smoothly over a blank canvas. Cover up your under eye circle. Use a concealer brush or your fingertips to dab concealer under your eyes. Apply the concealer in the shape of an upside down triangle and then using the concealer brush, spread it all over the face to cover acne and dark spots. Now, to set the concealer, take a dab of setting powder into a large brush and cover each corner of the face, including ear, chin, neck, and inside corner of the eyes. Once you have finished applying your concealer, the next step is foundation. You can choose your foundation in between liquid tint foundation to create a smooth skin tone and blank canvas. For the rest of your makeup, here we have used a liquid foundation because it blends nicely with my skin because my skin is oily and it's work wonder on my skin tone. Covering your face with concealer and foundation completely smooths out your complexion but removes any natural shadows and bronzed area that your skin has. This is why contouring is important for sculpting and adding dimension to your face by using a makeup that is slightly darker or lighter than your actual skin color because unlikely everyday foundation and concealer which we typically want to match our skin exactly. Contouring is about creating the effect or shadows and light. When contouring, you can use foundation cream based or powder products. You can even use a combination of three. It is all up to you. With your lighter concealer, you want to place it in the area where you want bright forward to a simply concealer. These area for the most people would be the bridge of nose, chin, under your eyes, under the mid of your forehead. Set the makeup using a large brush. Now applying eye base before we start with the makeup. This step is important to create a base layer so that the makeup stays. Setting up the eye base, make sure you cover both the over and under eyes. Apply and setting powder on the under eyes. Setting translucent powder all over the face and neck because we don't want your other face section to look uneven. Now we use the green shade from the same Eurogirl palette and exactly half part of the eyelid, giving some depth to the crease line. Today we are going to trying to create something different and fresh eye pattern. And so we will be applying glitter on the center part of the eyelid using a Huda Beauty liquid eyeshadow and see how it turn out. Using the same palette, we take brown shade and blended the outer corner of the eye. This will complete our today's fresh eye look. Applying blusher and highlighter on the cheek. Applying liner. And that's it, that's the final look. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Let us know what do you think about today's tutorial in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. These little gesture of yours further push us and motivate to come up with more such content. We love you guys so much, and we will see you soon in our upcoming video. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.